Hey friends, if the camera is missing in the device manager on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix the problem. So first of all, search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for cameras. And do you see your camera here? If not, then click on view and select this option for show hidden devices. So if it is checked, it means that it will show all the hidden cameras. Does it still not show here? Then click on scan action and scan for hardware changes. Okay, and it will start showing your camera in that list. If it still doesn't show your camera, then you will have to perform an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter. Now this is for the internal camera. If it's an external camera, then it may have been disconnected or something. So you'll have to check the connections once again as well. And it could also be a hardware defect. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.